All right, it's September 18th. Was it Wednesday? Yeah, Wednesday. My mechanic was by again today. Got all the rear end out, rear suspension, drive shaft, everything's out. So making progress, making progress. Over the seats. We're making progress. I'll show you the rest of the car. She's almost ready to be gone. What's left now is the motor. I think I'm gonna have him pull a gas tank too. The exhaust is rotted out, so I'm just gonna cut that out. It's all rusted out and everything, the exhaust that is. So I'm just having just cut it out. Grab that gas tank and the motor. And she'll be about ready to go. Then start saving my nickels and dimes for the body work on the other one that's in the back. But I can start cleaning up the suspension myself. I mean, my little project I'm gonna do is take my time and, you know, get the suspension going. And then we can get ready for that one back there. Body work wise, I got the new hood, new fenders, and actually another front cap. Used one off another Datsun in good shape, but we'll be good to go. So little by little on the wagon, little by little. All right, peace.